Ladies and gentlemen, our beloved rector, Father Felino Hueco SDB. Tonight is an evening of celebration and accomplishment as Peter Joseph David, Student Council President, reports the achievements of the Council for the academic year 2012-2013. Once again, let's put our hands together for the President, Peter Joseph David. Once again, the President, Peter Joseph David. How about a round of applause?
To our beloved Salesians, teachers, Bosconians, and guests, a pleasant evening to all of you. It was in this very same room where Tom Tanhueco bequeathed me the keys of leadership as a symbol of his passing of the power and responsibilities of being the Student Council President. Now, almost a year has passed, and a lot indeed happened. The whole Student Council